this is a difference between somebody who's dealt with these things on a real world level. By real world, I mean, I was on the run for nearly 20 years. So when you have something and you've got no income and you're in a third world country, you make sure that you use things the most efficient way possible. These metal saws are great, but they do break. And you say, oh, this is better than the other ones because they only had like a little metal ring. You could barely get one finger in it. That is when you get a shoelace and extend it. You put a shoelace into these metal saws. You're only cutting with about 12 inches. But if you put a couple of bootlaces onto them, that means all of a sudden it's 3 feet long. You've got a lot more leverage and you can use your entire hands. But you don't use it for strength, you use it to get the motion going. So the guy's got no practical use of these things other than as a toy. So yeah, they've got small loops, but you're not supposed to put your fingers in them. You take off one of your boots, your shoelaces, your bootlace, and you use that to temporarily extend it.